Massive hydraulic cutters slice through banana stems like butter. Raw power in motion. Industrial claw grabs tons of stems. Truck suspension sinks. Raw material on the move.
This is the future of sustainable manufacturing.
Ever wondered how massive banana stems become premium soft toilet paper? Let's go.
Hydraulic power tilts the truck. Thousands of kilograms crash down in one massive wave.
360-degree water jets blast away dirt and insects. Stems emerge polished, clean.
1,500 RPM tungsten blades turn solid stems into fine fibers. Papermaking begins.
Solid banana stem transforms into uniform fiber chips. This is where paper truly begins. Fiber chips move to storage. Tons of raw material waiting for the next transformation. Fiber chips pour into stainless steel boilers. Heat and pressure are about to work their magic. The boiler seals tight. Heat and pressure will soon break down every fiber wall. Steam pressure builds inside. Heat begins breaking down cellular walls instantly.
Solid fibers soften into liquid pulp. The banana stem has transformed completely.
Brown liquid pulp pours from the boiler. Banana stem is now ready for purification.
Liquid pulp travels through pipes, one step closer to becoming premium toilet paper. Pulp collects in holding tanks. Soon, it will be purified and whitened.
Mixers ensure perfect consistency. Every batch must meet premium standards.
Pulp is ready. Next stop, purification and whitening. The brown liquid will soon turn white.
Brown pulp enters the centrifuge. Spinning force will separate impurities from fiber. Thousands of G-forces spin the pulp. Heavy impurities separate from valuable fibers. Cleaner pulp collects in tanks. The brown color is about to disappear. Stage by stage, the pulp grows whiter. Premium tissue requires premium brightness. Almost white now. The pulp meets premium tissue standards for brightness.
The pulp is ready.
White pulp enters the refiner. Final preparation before becoming paper.
Refiner plates brush each fiber. Smooth, uniform pulp emerges for premium paper. Smooth, refined pulp flows to the paper machine, ready to become a continuous sheet. Water dilutes the pulp, the perfect consistency for forming paper sheets. Pulp spreads across the head box, about to become a continuous sheet of paper. Pulp sprays onto a moving mesh. Water begins draining. A solid sheet starts to form. Vacuum sucks water through the mesh. Fibers lock together, forming a wet paper sheet. Fibers lock together molecule by molecule. A continuous paper sheet is born. The wet sheet moves to the press section. More water must go before drying begins. Heavy rollers squeeze more water out. The sheet is almost ready for high-temperature drying.
The paper sheet moves toward massive heated rollers. Heat will remove remaining water.
Hot drums touch the wet feet. Water turns to steam instantly. Drying has begun.
Drum after drum removes moisture. Steam fills the air as paper dries from both sides.
Moisture levels hit the target. The sheet is almost dry and ready for the Yankee dryer. The Yankee dryer removes the last drops of moisture. The paper is now completely dry. A steel blade scrapes the paper off the drum. This creping creates the soft texture.
Microcreps create the soft, stretchy feel. This is what makes premium toilet paper.
Finished tissue travels to the reel. Soon it will become the rolls you know.
Tissue winds onto a parent reel. Thousands of meters of soft paper ready for converting.
The giant parent reel moves to the rewinder. Thousands of meters of soft tissue ready. The parent reel locks into the rewinder. About to become smaller consumer rolls. The parent reel unwinds. Converting the giant roll into bathroom-sized rolls begins now. Two thin plies bond together. Twice the strength, twice the softness. Embossing rollers press elegant patterns. This adds softness and a premium feel. The embossed pattern adds elegance. Premium toilet paper is all about the details.
Each perforation tears cleanly. Consistent quality from the first sheet to the last.
The finished tissue speeds toward the log saw. One final cut before packaging.
The log saw spins at blinding speed. One log becomes dozens of bathroom-ready rolls. Individual rolls travel toward packaging. Each one inspected before wrapping. A robotic arm picks each roll with precision. No human hand touches the product. Rolls stack in perfect patterns, ready for the shrink wrapper. Each stack is inspected. Perfect alignment ensures a tight, attractive package. Clear plastic wraps around each stack. Protection for the journey to your home. A tight, clear package emerges. Ready for the retail shelf or your bathroom cabinet. Pallet after pallet stacks up. Thousands of rolls ready to ship across America. Pallet after pallet loads into the truck. Thousands of rolls for American homes. Each pallet is secured with heavy straps. Safe transport across thousands of miles. The truck doors close. The load is secure and ready for the American highway. The truck pulls away from the factory. Banana stems have become toilet paper for America. Across American highways, the truck carries softness to stores near you. Forklifts unload pallet after pallet. The distribution center sorts for local delivery. Pallets slide into warehouse racks. Organized and ready for the final leg of the journey. The final truckloads for store delivery. Soon, these rolls will be in your local supermarket. The final truck leaves the warehouse. Your toilet paper is on its way to local stores. A customer chooses the product. From plantation to shopping cart, the journey is complete.
From banana stem to toilet paper, American innovation at its finest. Made for you.
This video contains AI-generated and AI-edited content. The script has been written and rewritten using AI tools, and some visuals are also generated. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not represent any company, product, or factory in an official way.